Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. In the previous video, we created our basic navigation system for the lobby, and I showed you how to create a switcher to switch between the tabs. Today, we will create a system to display an error message when the plugin returns it. It is useful, like that. We will understand the functionalities of the plugin. This allows an error message to be displayed to the end user. All the tasks of the plugin returns a structure named OSS error when the task fails. It is the same structure for all the tasks. It contains an enum representing the error type, thus a string error callback, if the type is callback. In the main menu folder, create a new folder and name it Common Widgets, because the error message is a common object for all levels. Create a widget and name it WB_error notifier, then open it. Add a canvas panel, then add a vertical box to it. Follow me to configure these objects. Add a border to the vertical box, then add a vertical box to it. In this border, we will have three text messages: the error title, the error message, and the error details. The error title will be provided according to the type of the failed task. On the other hand, the error message and the error details are provided by the OSS error structure. Add a button. This button will close the error message box when player clicks on it. Now in the graph, we will implement the logic to update the error texts. Create a variable of type OSS error and make it editable and exposable on spawn. Get this variable, then break this structure. To see the possible types of errors, make an equal enum, then hover your mouse on each type to read the description. Remember, the callback error string is not empty only if the error is of type callback, and also if the target OSS returns an error message on callback. Make a switch on error type. We will customize the error message according to the type. Create a variable of type string and name it error title. Make it editable, then expose it on spawn. Set the text of error title text to the value of the variable just created. Create a variable of type string and name it error message. We will update its value according to the type of error. The world context error indicates that you are calling a functionality outside the game context. Normally this error will never be triggered. Only in rare cases, it is a developer error. The configuration error indicates that the target OSS is unable to instantiate the interfaces required for this task. This error can be triggered in several situations. Situation 1. The target OSS does not support the requested functionality. Situation 2. The developer has misconfigured the OSS. Finally, it is a developer error. The login error is triggered if you call a feature that requires an authenticated user. Normally, Easy OSS Plugin does this check automatically if needed. The response error indicates that the target OSS is unable to start the task. Note, this check is not possible for all features. The callback error indicates that the OSS task returned a failure status on callback. This can be a problem in the OSS target, but also because of a developer according to the given input. When the error is callback, we will check if it also returns an error message. In this case, we update the error details. Now implement the logic if the OK button is clicked, then the widget will be closed. Now I will do a quick test by creating the error message widget if the login task fails. I will add a title describing the failed task. Then I will connect the OSS error structure. Again, please note that auto login fails from the editor. I forgot to update the value of the error message text. The no callback result error. It will be raised when the task does not return data, if it should return it. As you see, the error message works fine as it should, but I have to make break lines in the texts. This can be done by hitting Alt plus Enter. I will improve the design of the widget. We're not going to create the widget every time we need it. It's not practical. Instead, we're going to create a macro that we can call from any Unreal Engine object. In the Common Widgets folder, create a new blueprint Marco, which must inherit the object class. Otherwise, this macro cannot be called except from its class type. Create a function in this macro and name it showErrorMessage. We can later add other functions to display other types of widgets. Copy the selected nodes and paste them into the macro function. Now you can call this function when you need to display an error notification. Go back into the login widget and use it. And there you have it. Everything works as it should. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.